Good morning to all. Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I, Tapas sir, your value education teacher. Today, I am going to teach a new lesson for standard 6 students. This is lesson number 5. This lesson is for your half yearly exam course. Lesson number 5, Ahimsa, the message of India. Ahimsa, as we know, children, it is the best weapon of our late father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. Means Ahimsa means non-violence. In his life, he had always believed in Ahimsa. This story is also about giving message how Ahimsa is important in your life. Let's start the story, children. There was a boy called Paresh. He in our class, but we all called him Punch. He was always angry with someone about something, and he was always hitting out with his fist. His parents and teachers had warned him and even punished him for this, but he went on punching other boys. We all stayed as far away from him as we could. We did not talk to him and did not ask him to join us in our games. We did not like being punched. This story begins with a boy whose name was Paresh, but for his nature of giving punch every now and then to the friends around him, the children used to call him as Punch instead of Paresh. He was given the nickname of Punch. Actually, it is a very bad thing to call someone with nickname. But here in the story, they are said that the children are so much scared or afraid of him that his nature was such a bad nature of punching others. So they called him Punch. Punch, rather you can say Paresh's parents gave him advice that please don't do this thing with your friends who are around you. It is very bad thing, but even though they have given him advice and got punishment for his behavior with others, he did not change himself. He went on to do this bad thing with others. So the friends around him started to avoid him. They thought of not making any friendship with him, neither they should talk nor they should make him to join their group in school. So he was kept alone for his behavior. You can see his teacher, parents gave him advice, teacher also punished him for his behavior. Like this he used to do. He used to give punch to his friend around him in the school, outside the school as well. Rampal was the only classmate Punch would listen to. I try hard, Rampal, said Punch, but I am not able to control my fist. When I am angry, my fist just seems to hit someone. It is not that he was not feeling bad about his behavior. Paresh was very sad that how it happened that even though he is trying his best to control his hand, his fist, but it somehow it hits someone. This thing he used to say to one of his friend who in the school was Rampal, who was very close to him. He used to make friendship with him So Paresh told to Rampal that even though I am trying my best to control my nature, my fist, to hit someone, but I could not do. Anyhow, it goes and hit someone. So when I am angry, because he is saying that when he gets angry, he do so, but he cannot control his anger. You see, Rampal, he is talking with Rampal that even though he is trying hard to control his anger, he couldn't control his anger. When he gets anger, he anyhow give a blow to someone. One day Rampal thought of a simple but a very clever plan. He told Panch, it is difficult for you to control your anger, but it will be easier to control your fist. Wear this thick ring on your finger. When you try to make a fist to punch someone, the ring will gently pinch you and remind you not to be violent. Rampal gave Panch a thick ring to wear to his finger. Now Rampal, as he was a good friend of Paresh, was felt very bad that the Rampal was regretting for his mistake, for his bad nature, but he was unable to control his anger. So, seeing the pain and representation of his friend Paresh, Rampal gave him a good advice, very simple but very valuable advice, that please wear a magical ring, so that when you do such thing, that ring will pinch you and make you aware that you are doing a wrong thing and you can control yourself. So by saying, Rampal gave a thick ring to finger ring to Paresh to wear. You can see Paresh, the left side of your screen, was very sad for his behavior. The right side you can see Rampal is giving a ring to Paresh, which will help him to control his anger. How? You can see. Did Panch immediately stop getting angry? Of course not. But he stopped punching people because the ring always reminded him in time. After a while, he didn't need the ring anymore. He could easily keep his fist in his pocket even when he was angry. He had learned by practice. Means his nature did not change immediately after wearing the ring, but it simultaneously have an effect in his life. Whenever he used to think of punching someone with his fist, the ring used to pinch him and make him aware that you are doing wrong thing, and he realized this and he controlled himself. Later on, it became a habit. It became a habit of not giving any blow to anybody else. If he becomes angry also, he used to keep his right hand in his pocket, so that he could control his anger. And through practice regularly doing so, a time came when he controlled his anger and never gave a blow to anyone, even though he was angry. Soon we were asking him to join us in our games. As the day and week went by, he became so happy and relaxed that he wasn't getting angry very much anymore. He was like any of us. Means soon he was asking him to join. Soon means the friend around him noticed the change in his behavior. They told that you can join our group now, and everybody now at present making friendship with Paresh, because they are seeing a lot of change in his life, in his behavior, in his attitude, and his positive thinking has made a great change around him. Now he is very relaxed and happy. Before he used to get angry, he used to keep himself alone in a pensive and anger mood. Now as he has controlled his anger, now he is finding that he is very much happy, and everything good is going around him. Everyone is making friendship with him, and he is now a normal person, a normal child like everyone. You can see now all of them are making friendship with him. I don't remember when we stopped calling him Punch, but when school reopened after the holiday, we were all calling him Paresh. The Ahimsa ring had worked magic. Means now the writer of this story is saying that we don't remember when we stopped calling him Punch. Means how it happened and when it happened we don't know. When we stopped calling him Punch, because it is a long process went on to change, see the change in the life of Punch or Paresh. Now Paresh is a normal boy, a well behaved, well mannered boy, well controlled over his anger. Now he is always cheerful, happy, also make friendship with others, give respect to others, think about others, give importance to the others' advice. Now he never get angry, any such thing. Because of this nature, now after the vacation is over, we are calling him Paresh, because we find that he is a different boy which he used to be previously. This all happened with the ring which Rampal gave him, Ahimsa ring, you can say. Ahimsa means non-violence. The ring himself showing that you cannot have any violence if you wear it. So it changed the life of Paresh. This is that magical ring. Now the story is over, children. Moral of the story. What we get from this story, that moral: the path of Ahimsa always bring peace and prosperity in life. Never think of any sort of violence. Means if you are in the path of Ahimsa, if you are having no violence in your life, you will find your life is very peaceful, and your life not only peaceful, you will progress in your life. You will go ahead to a successful position in life. If you are having non-violence, or if you don't create any violence with others, so try to avoid violence, a very bad thing. If you have in you, you will find you are lonely, you are alone, nobody will make friendship with you. So try to avoid this violence and have good rapport with your friends who are with you, who are around you in school as well as outside the school. So my story, lesson number 5 is Ahimsa, the message of India, is over, children. It is a very beautiful story for you. As for you should know, now you small children, you should know how good you to be a Ahimsa or to believe in Ahimsa. So thank you, children, for watching this video. I am happy that you are staying at home, you are obeying your parents. Please give respect to your elders. I know it is very hard to stay at home for children like you for so many days, but what to do? The situation are making us, forcing us to stay at home. If we are staying at home, we are obeying our parents, we are safe. If you are safe, you can think of better future in life. So try to give respect to what your teachers, parents say or teachers say, and think about your studies and your education first. It is very important for you. So children, goodbye till we meet again with such a beautiful video and with good message or moral. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.